Namaskaram, this is KH Vineet, Mridangam artist, freelancer, playing for concerts, dance, production, soloist, tutor from Chennai. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare a Sunnambutol Mridangam for concert. Before going into the topic, there are certain general instructions which we have to follow. Instruction 1. Playing on the same Mridangam for hours. Whether it is a Kapi motu, Pachathattu Kuchi motu or Sunnambutol motu, playing on the same Mridangam for hours will give you a clear idea about what is the nature of the skin. It reveals the actual tone of the Mridangam, and we can easily locate where the Hechukannu and Takkannu is situated. And not only that, playing on the same Mridangam for hours will definitely improve the tonal quality to a large extent. Instruction number 2. Please don't keep on changing the Shruti of the Mridangam. While playing, please don't keep on changing the Shruti of the Mridangam. Changing the Shruti half a note up and down is not a problem, but if you keep on changing the Shruti of the new motu, is not at all healthy for the new motu. And the final instruction number 3, adjustments and understanding the Hechukannu and the Takkannu in the new motu. Before going to its adjustments, we have to know what is Hechukannu and what is Takkannu. It's very simple. Hechukannu in the Mridangam is the place where the Shruti will be always higher, and Takkannu in the Mridangam is the place where the Shruti will be always lower. So before going to the concert, we have to balance Hechukannu and the Takkannu. And sometimes there will be Kalasal in the Valandala motu also. So we have to balance the Hechukannu and the Takkannu. We have to play not showing the Kalasal also. This is really challenging and tough. Going into the topic, preparation of Sunnambutol Mridangam for concert. What is Sunnambutol? The skin of the goat and the cow which has been soaked in the Sunnambu for 2 to 3 days. After this process, the nature of the skin will become very thin and soft. This skin is called as Sunnambutol. Why Sunnambutol? In Sunnambutol, the tonal quality and the intense sharp sound will be produced within no time. And not only that, it is user friendly for artists as well as for the Mridangam maker. The first sadam in Sunnambutol. Not only in Sunnambutol but also in Pachathattu Kuchi motu and Kapi motu, Mridangam makers are very much comfortable in preparing the new motu for the Shruti E or F for the male Mridangam, and for the female Mridangam, say they will prepare for A or A sharp. So initially moving with the Mridangam maker is advisable. So how to reduce this high pitched Mridangam to the lower pitch? The most natural way to reduce the high pitched Mridangam to the lower pitch is to wait patiently and give the sweet time to get the good sound. And not only that, within a span of 6 to 8 months, the tightness of the new motu get reduced and it will naturally come to the lower pitch. Preserving the sadam. In Sunnambutol motu, all the Mridangam makers will give you 100% guarantee that the first and the second sadam will be in good tonal quality. So while playing, make sure that the sadam doesn't fall and preserve it as much as you can. And finally, understanding the Mridangam maker. If you are going for the first time to the Mridangam shop, we have to understand what is the capacity, its caliber and the skill of the Mridangam maker. This is a time-taking process, but by this time, he will also understand what is your taste and need. This mutual understanding and chemistry will definitely do the magic. But sometimes the new motu or the pasting of the sadam will not come to your expectation. Please don't confuse yourself or don't change the Mridangam maker all of a sudden. Give some time and space for everything. Move with the Mridangam maker by suggesting your taste. This is the best way.